is Albert. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress from your GoDaddy account. So we go to GoDaddy.com, this is the main page, and we sign in. Sign in. After you sign in, you're going to see this page where all your domain names, if you have more than one, you're going to see all of them listed here, or if you only have one, it's going to be listed here too. You scroll down and you find a link to web hosting where it says manage all. That's the web hosting that you signed up for, and you click on the link. And on the next page you will see your main domain name where you have a web hosting plan. So you click on that link and that will take you to this page where you can manage your domain name from here. We're not here for the rest of that. We're not here for that. We're here to show you how to install WordPress. So we'll go click on the cPanel admin. That's where you'll be able to access the WordPress program. So click on the cPanel right on top of your browser. And inside the cPanel is where you can find the Installatron application installer. So you scroll down, you find that, you look for that. Here it's under software. So you click that link, and it will take you to this. It will take you to the cPanel Installatron. And if you already have other programs installed, you'll see it here. But in my case, I have a lot of programs installed already. And from here, we go to the application browser. And here you will find, on this page, you will find all the applications that you can use on your website. I'm not gonna cover all of these right now. We're here to install WordPress, so we find WordPress. It's right here. So we click on WordPress, and it takes you to this page. It gives you a little info about WordPress. If you want, you can read through that. The next step is to install. You click on this button right on top, the right hand corner of your the browser. Click install, and it will take you to this page where you will have a drop down where you can choose a domain name if you have more than one domain name. You can select the domain name where you want to install your WordPress. So in this case, I'm going to install it on my boomshakalaka.com domain name. And this line here is the directory where it's supposed to, you can And this line here is where you can specify the directory you want the WordPress to be installed. There's a default directory that they put here. It's called blog. So, but for me, I'm installing it on the main directory. So I'm deleting this. And leaving it blank. So the WordPress will install directly on the main directory. So it's if I click boomshakalaka.com, that's where WordPress will be located. So the rest of this, I pretty much leave the default choices here, and the settings I change to the username and the password that I can easily remember. This is the username and password you're going to use to access the admin area of the WordPress once it's installed. This line here is your email. Here, you can leave it, this line here, if you want to, or you can delete them. And you can always change that once you log in to change your settings once you're in WordPress, after it's installed. So, and down here you have more choices. So I leave the default the way they are too. But it's up to you. You can change that if you want to. For me, I prefer to just leave them the way they are. So far it works for me. So the next step is to install. Click install right at the bottom of the page. Just install button. Click that, and you can see it's processing. So it's now installing, and it takes you back to the Installatron page where all your other program is supposed to be installed. And here you can see that it's installing. It's now 100%, and there it is. You can see that it's been installed successfully. So the next step is you click on the this link where it takes you to the admin page of the WordPress from your website. In this case, boomshakalaka.com will have the admin page now of WordPress. So we click this link, we go there, and it takes us to this page where we're given a choice to use the wizard to set up the settings for your website. I usually skip this part. I would just say I prefer to just set it up myself, once I'm in WordPress. So I don't use the wizard. Okay, so I click no tags, and I click OK here. So now it takes me to my dashboard. From here, you can go to the settings and change your settings from here. from the name of your website. And your tagline. I mean, this is an example. I mean, you can. I'm just giving you an idea what you can do here. Then from here you have uh, the um, the the appearance. Usually, that's it's very important. You can change the way you can choose what type of theme you want to use on your website. So we'll pick this one for now. So we'll activate this. You can search. You can add. You can look for more themes. You click Add New, and it gives you more choices here. And you can go to the most popular links. See, you have a lot of choices. So let's install this one. I'd install this one. So this theme is now being installed inside the WordPress, so that you can use that theme, and you can activate this by clicking here. You can also activate it other ways, but once it's activated, you can customize it, and you can start posting. Let's see how it looks. Go on top. You click that link which says My Blog, and then Visit Site. It'll take you to your website. It's now installed and ready to be customized the way I want it. There's a lot of things you can do from here. Like I said, you can change the settings, you can change the graphics, but that's about it for this video. I just wanted to show you how to install install WordPress from your GoDaddy account. So I hope that helps you. I'll see you on the next video, and we'll cover a lot more of the things you can do with WordPress in the future videos. Thanks again.